All right, what's going on, everybody? Here in Southeast Michigan, our temperatures today climbed up to 40 degrees. So about a 50-degree temperature swing from a couple weeks ago. But figure with 40 degrees, the clusters inside the boxes, actually you can see a couple of bees are out flying. They're going to loosen up a little bit, so I'm going to do a OA treatment. Just try and get through them here. We only got one day here where it's in the 40s. With the clusters loosening up some, should be a good treatment to do over the winter. Just a quick one. I got my nahbe vaporizer. Got my mask ready here, and kind of go through a couple of them and take you along. Could be kind of a short one, but we'll kind of go through it here and watch kind of how quick it goes. All right, now I got this already heated up, preheated. I know all the cracks in that, they're all kind of sealed up right now. There's just be a kind of a quick like little booster, and it's not expected to do a lot, but a little bit, every little bit. The stuff is strong even with the mask. I mean, you still smell it. I'm trying to get up the window, so I'll turn it on. I'm running a 6 amp hour battery on this. I can usually get about 30 dosages out of it, being in colder weather like this. Warmer weather, I can easily get 40. As you can see, it does agitate them a little bit. They're coming out of this bag okay. All right, and just like that, Whew. And like I said, even with the mask, you can still smell it. But yeah, just like that. Just a quick over winter treatment. They'll go back inside shortly, but every little bit helps. So, all right, I will catch you all later, and hopefully I can make another video here soon. Although still being in the winter, I still got a couple more months to go before we really get into spring. So don't know how much or what else we can do. May do another video with the thermal camera or something like that, but that's what we got for now. All right, thanks for watching.